Ever wondered why pigeons are so bad at detective work? Um, or why a perfectly good opera house needs so much cleaning? If these questions tickle your funny bone, you've likely stumbled into the wonderfully absurd world of The Naked Gun, starting as the short lived, brilliantly bizarre TV series Police Squad. The franchise exploded onto the big screen in 1988 with The Naked Gun from the Files of Police Squad. It quickly became a gold standard for screwball comedy, um, but with multiple films, which one reigns supreme. Let's dive in and rank them all. There really isn't a truly bad Make a Gun movie, which is a testament to the consistently clever writing and perfect comedic timing. However, some are undeniably more hilarious than others. Uh, Coming in at number 4 is Make a Gun 33 and a Third, The Final Insult. Lieutenant Frank Drebin is back, this time tasked with saving the Academy Awards from a terrorist threat. The plot is classic Naked Gun, but some jokes don't quite land with the same impact. It does feature some excellent parodies and showcases Leslie Nielsen's comfort in the role. Next up at number 3 is A Naked Gun, 2.5, The Smell of Fear. This sequel leans into the self-aware humor, poking fun at its own success. Dredden, he was back this time battling a shady power company. Well, hilarious. It's always a step behind the original. It's still a fantastic 90s comedy, though. At number 2, we have The Naked Gun, 2025. This soft reboot with Liam Neeson proved that the franchise still had plenty of life. You know, it honored the original's humor while carving its own path. Neeson's straight-faced delivery is a stroke of genius, and the film never shies away from absurdity. And finally, at number 1 is The Naked Gun from the Files of Police Squad. This is where it all began, and it remains the pinnacle of screwball comedy. And the film expertly parodies classic cop tropes while delivering a relentless barrage of goofy jokes. Leslie Nielsen's deadpan delivery is legendary, making this truly timeless comedy. So there you have it, a ranking of every Naked Gun movie. As you talk about Naked Gun movie stuff, I guess this was the main reason. It's a franchise that proves sometimes the best way to save the day is with a well-timed pratfall. Speaking of pratfalls, why did the detective bring a ladder to the crime scene? Because he wanted to get to the bottom of things. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.